In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices to customers in Xero. Once you're in your Xero account, the first thing you'll do is head to the sales area. You'll find this on the main navigation bar. Opening sales gives you a central place to manage quotes, invoices, and payments, and it's where you'll start when you want to send an invoice by email. Next, open the invoices section. This shows your full list of invoices grouped by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. If you're preparing to send something you've been working on, make sure you're looking at your draft invoices so you can finalize the details before it goes out. Now, select a draft invoice you want to send. This opens the invoice editor. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the customer's contact information, the line items, quantities, unit prices, tax settings, and the invoice total. A quick check here helps prevent back and forth with your customer later. Enter the due date for the invoice. You can pick a date from the calendar or type it in, depending on your terms. Align this with your payment policy. For example, due on receipt, 7 days or end of month, so the customer knows exactly when payment is expected. Setting a clear due date also makes your aging reports and reminders accurate. When you're happy with the details and the due date, click Approve and Email. Approving moves the invoice out of draft and into your accounts receivable, and it opens the email window in one step. Keep in mind that once an invoice is approved, editing is more limited, so this is a good time to be confident everything looks right. You'll see the email compose screen with the recipient pulled from the customer's contact. Confirm the email address, subject, and message. Xero usually includes a standard message, but you can personalize it to add context, such as a thank you note or a short description of the work completed. If there's an option to attach a PDF, leave it enabled so your customer has a copy they can save. Some setups also include an online payment link, which can help you get paid faster. Finally, click Send Email. Xero will deliver the invoice to your customer and record that it's been emailed, so you can see the status and any future interactions in the invoice history. That's the whole process. Open sales, go to invoices, choose your draft, add the due date, approve and email, then send. With these steps, you'll send professional, accurate invoices in just a couple of clicks.